Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to list on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to your eBay website. After that, you would want to go to your selling hub on eBay. So basically go to my eBay, just hover, do not click, and basically you would need just to click on selling. By clicking on selling, it will take you to the seller hub. If you cannot see the seller hub from here, that means that you've never visited the seller hub. You can simply go type eBay seller hub on your web browser and then it will take you to this page. So now as after that you got your seller hub activated, you would need just to go to listings and from here you'd want to create a listing. So let's just create listing and from here you would want like to either enter a brand or start from templates or do whatever you would like. So for example, let's see, for example, a phone or whatever, and here we have a phone case, and let's just search. You can choose any products if you have already here a templates that you want, and basically you can start from here. So basically, let's match it. Just it's an example. You can just match it from here, continue without listing, and basically now we have easily created a listing for our store. So basically this is just an image that you can continue, you'd find the title, everything else. Otherwise you can just start from the pictures and then just go back, and from here you can basically just go to photo upload. From here you choose your photos. So for example, two pictures, you upload the pictures, and let's just add whatever here, and I'm going to uh, go for anything, and basically here in edits draft you'd be able to add the titles and add all the other information, and then you just click on submit, and basically you'd have your listing that will be submitted and added into your listings here in eBay. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.